We all have dreams, aspirations, goals, but how many of us actually go after them? How many of us have this fire inside that just whoa and let us sleep until we take action? You need to remember your dreams are valid. The problem isn't that your dreams are too big or too small. It's that you're not taking the necessary steps to turn them into reality. So today I want to talk about becoming a modern entrepreneur. Let me tell you a little story. Back in 2019, I was at my corporate job earning a good salary, had great benefits, and everyone around me thought I was doing well. But internally, I felt like a hamster on a wheel, running and running, but never really getting anywhere. Something was missing. It was until I took a leap of faith and started my own business that I truly felt alive. And now here we are, today. I am sharing my journey and everything I've learned along the way so that you can avoid the pitfalls I encountered and hopefully find success yourself. This guide will cover 3 main aspects. First, I'll give you a simplified guide to making money. Next, I'll discuss high-income skills that can help you earn more. And finally, I'll share with you some unique AI business ideas. By the end of this video, you should have a better understanding of the different ways to make money and hopefully be inspired to start your own side hustle or even quit your job and pursue entrepreneurship full-time. Just remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to making money, so you need to find what works best for you and don't stop until you get there. Now, let's dive in and explore the world of finance together. If you're looking for a side hustle or thinking about quitting your job to pursue entrepreneurship, then today's video is perfect for you. We'll look at the different ways to make money, including active and passive income and even some unique AI businesses. By the end of this video, you should have a good idea of how to start earning extra income and hopefully be inspired to start your own venture. So let's dive right in and explore the world of side hustles and entrepreneurship together. All right, now let's move on to part 2, high-income skills. Remember how I said there are multiple ways to make money? Well, I meant it. No, this is where you use your writing skills to persuade people to take action. For example, if someone hires you to write a landing page for their website, you could earn anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per project. And the best part is you can do this remotely. No, to web development. If you can build websites, you're in luck because web developers are in high demand. On average, they earn over $105,000 annually. But you don't have to be an expert to get started. There are plenty of resources available to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Once you know the basics, you can build simple websites and gradually work your way up. No. 3, social media management. Many businesses struggle to keep up with social media, and that's where you come in. As a social media manager, you can help them create and execute strategies that engage customers and increase sales. It's a growing field with plenty of opportunities. Number 4, email marketing. With the right email marketing skills, you can help businesses connect with their audience in a personal way that drives sales. On average, email marketers earn over $62,000 annually. To get started, learn how to create engaging emails, set up automated email campaigns, and analyze results. No. 5, content writing. This is another great option for those who enjoy writing. Content writers create written materials such as blog posts, articles, and website copy. On average, content writers earn over $75,000 annually. And the best part is you can choose your own hours and work remotely. All right, moving on to part 3, AI businesses. Here are 5 unique AI businesses you can start today. Number 1, AI content creation. Create written or visual content using AI tools and sell it to businesses or individuals. For example, you could create product descriptions, social media posts, or even blog articles using ChatGPT. Or you can leverage AI art generators to create stunning visuals for websites or social media. AI-powered customer service. Develop an AI chatbot that businesses can integrate into their website or app to provide instant customer support. This can free up human agents to focus on more complex issues while the chatbot handles the rest. Number 3, AI-driven personalization. Create an AI-powered service that helps businesses personalize their products or services for individual customers. For example, you could offer AI-driven gift recommendations for special occasions, or create a custom meal planning service based on individual dietary needs. No, for AI-based productivity tools. Develop an AI-powered tool that helps individuals or businesses be more productive. This could be anything from an AI-powered calendar scheduler to an AI-driven email management system. No. 5, AI art and design. If you're good at art or design, you can leverage AI tools to create unique pieces that you can sell online. For example, you could use AI to generate personalized portraits for customers or create AI-powered filters for social media. But wait, before you dive in and start your AI business, there are some important things you need to know. 1, understand the limitations of AI. Don't expect AI to replace human creativity, critical thinking, or emotional intelligence. Instead, look for ways to use AI to augment your skills and make your work more efficient. Number 2, don't rely solely on AI. Don't make the mistake of relying solely on AI to run your business. You still need to put in the hard work and effort to make your business successful. Use AI as a tool to help you along the way, but don't expect it to do all the work for you. Number 3, be prepared to learn new skills. To keep up with the ever-changing world of AI, you need to be willing to learn new skills and adapt to change. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try something new. And number 4, don't ignore the ethical considerations of AI. As AI becomes more advanced, it's important to consider the ethical implications of your work. Make sure you're using AI responsibly and in a way that benefits society. To wrap it all up, remember that you don't need to follow a traditional path to success. If you want to be a modern entrepreneur, think outside the box, embrace new technologies like AI, and be willing to take risks. Now I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the future of entrepreneurship? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.